Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. I'm going to make you a nice, lovely dice. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I got some leftover vegetable right here. This is some mushroom, spring onion, and also some cabbage, carrot. You know, all of these is just like a healthy recipe, stir fry. We're gonna do like a vegan style. Alright, so first thing, what you're gonna do is put a little bit of oil in the front pan like this. Not too much oil, either olive oil or your vegetable oil or coconut oil inside of it. It's gonna be a simple recipe, guys. Just to make you guys know that Chef Ricardo have a garlic crusher right here. This is garlic crusher. You can get this on my website. If you go to Chef Ricardo Cooking, click on store, the link will be in the description box for you to get this garlic crusher to buy. It's the best in the world. Alright guys, so second thing is get your garlic. Now look at this. I'm gonna do a clove of garlic. Alright, one clove of garlic, just like this. See that? Alright, a little bit too hot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in the vegetable like this. The garlic, we're just gonna put in the garlic like this. This is our leftovers vegetable I have. Just so I can use it up. We're going to stir fry it off. Just like that. Then I'm using the Jamaican Valley vegan season. That's going to bring in definitely a lovely flavor to it. Keep stirring this for about 5 minutes. Little bit of pepper. Half teaspoon of vegan season. Nice. Nice and lovely, guys. So look at this. This is finished. You don't want to overcook it too much. See that? Lovely and nice. I'm gonna turn off the stove. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave the comments below. As you can see, stir fry, very easy and simple. Leftover stir fry vegetables, really nice. Yeah, that's it. I will see you next time. Bye bye.